In this section, I'm going to show you how to list your Restic repository snapshots in more detail. So I've got my backup here on my E drive. I'll go ahead and open the terminal and see what's inside this backup. So the first command we'll be looking at is snapshots, and then we'll cover ls or list. So we'll do media snapshots, and again, this just shows us the list of all the snapshots or backups that we've taken. Now, since the last video, I've done a backup on my main laptop here. So we see here I have 4 snapshots. Snapshots again will list the ID, the date, the host machine, tags, and the path. And this paths will represent the folders or files that you chose to back up for that snapshot. If you wanted a more condensed view of snapshots, you can use the compact option. This simply lists your snapshots but does not include the paths, so it's a lot more condensed. You can also filter snapshots. For example, let's say I just wanted to see snapshots from my laptop. We have here this desktop, which represents this computer that I'm currently on right now, and then I have my ASUS laptop that I did a backup on. If I just wanted to see snapshots from my ASUS laptop, I could do snapshots and filter by host and put in the host name. And I get one result. Likewise, if I wanted to just see snapshots for this computer, I could do host and I just get 3 snapshots. You can also filter by paths. For example, if I only wanted to see snapshots that include the path users trade documents, I could do snapshots path and then put in the path. If the path has a space in it, you want to surround it by double quotes. And we get all snapshots that include the path users trade documents. You can filter by tags, and we'll look at tags in the upcoming video. But if I do snapshots, and we see I have a snapshot with the tags docs. If I do snapshots tag docs, it will list all snapshots with that tag. You can also combine some of these filters. I'm going to quickly add a tag media to one of my snapshots. And now we have this snapshot with the tag media. Let's go ahead and filter out by this tag and by the folder music. So I do Restic snapshots, and I'm going to filter out by tag, media, and path, the music folder. So I'm saying look inside the snapshot, but only snapshots that have the tag media and have the path music. And it returns one result. Tags are incredibly useful for organizing your snapshots if you're backing up lots of different folders and files to a single repository. Again, I'll be covering that in the upcoming video. These filters can be used multiple times in a command. For example, if I wanted to see snapshots with the tag media and docs, I could do tag media and tag docs. And I get 2 results. This can be done with host, media, and paths. In Restic, there's a special snapshot ID called latest. We looked at latest in previous sections, but basically it references the last snapshot for a given host and path. If I do snapshot latest, it simply returns this snapshot, which is from my laptop, but I can also look at the latest snapshot for my desktop by specifying the host. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this, bring this command back, and I'll do latest on host. And you see, it gives us the latest snapshot from my desktop. Likewise, if I wanted to see the latest snapshot that have the path music, I can do snapshots latest, path, music. And it gives us this snapshot. Let's take a look at grouping. So grouping is a way to display your snapshots by tags, paths, hosts, and so on. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do snapshots. And we'll use group by tags. And what this does is it organizes all of our snapshots based on tags. So the first group, which have no tags, and then the second group, which has the tags docs, followed by this group that has the tags media. Let's do the screen here and let's do group by host. And the first group lists snapshots where the host is the desktop, and the second group lists snapshots for the laptop. And likewise, we could do path. And you can see under each of the listings, it shows you the path that it's filtering out from. So here we're filtering out by documents, snapshots that have documents, music, pictures, and videos, snapshots that have e-documents, and snapshots that have all of these files or folders. If you have thousands of snapshots, which Restic can handle easily, by the way, sifting through the regular listing of snapshots can be extremely tedious. So knowing how to list them in Restic is important when you need to find the right data to restore. In the next section, we're going to be looking at listing files and folders within these snapshots in more detail.